The scale is really significant. I would absolutely say the situation is urgent. These numbers show that there's a real significant chance of ship collision with major U.S. bridges. So in the aftermath of the Key Bridge collapse, we wanted to really understand the vulnerability of the bridges across the United States. So we gathered a great amount of data. We used what's called automated identification system, which is like a transponder system that ships use to communicate with the U.S. Coast Guard. And they send a message about once every minute telling them their speed and heading and location. We looked at what ships were going under what bridges, and we were able to get an accurate count of ship traffic under all U.S. major bridges. What we've seen over the last half century is a major collision every 3 to 5 years. And the results show that we really should be expecting these type of events to occur with relative frequency. We've identified bridges where there's a high probability of a collision event. And now we need to look more closely and analyze whether those are at a real risk of collapse in the event of a collision. Continued investment in research, like the work that we've conducted, sponsored by the National Science Foundation, is imperative to the economic prosperity and to the health of our nation. And the continued investment in that research is going to allow studies like this that are really going to protect Americans' lives.